mad about healthy eating can just stay, but Indians are foodies by nature. All right, to another IPO corner story then, the IPO of Global Health, which really operates the Medanta chain of hospitals, also open for subscription today. And Ekta Batra, our in-house healthcare expert, is joining in with all the details. Tell us, Ekta.
Thanks for that. Well, not as exciting as the food IPO. Medanta is open for subscription, though, from the 3rd of November till the 7th of November. Price band of 319 to 336 rupees, looking to raise over 2,000 odd crores, up to around 2,200 odd crores. The implied market cap for Medanta would be around 8,580 to over 9,000 odd crores. It's a combination of a fresh issue as well as an OFS. So the fresh issue is around 500 odd crores. OFS is up to around 1,700 odd crores, with the likes of Carlyle, which had exited, or rather which had entered the company in 2013, looking to exit entirely. They've already struck a pre-IPO deal worth around 6% of their equity, and with the OFS they are expected to exit the company entirely. Fund utilization, 375 crores will be invested in subsidiaries, which will eventually be used for the fund repayment of debt. Now, about the company, it is a Dr. Trihan promoted chain of hospitals. He's a very renowned cardiac surgeon. Separately, it operates around 5 hospitals across the brand Medanta, but it is focused basically in the north and the eastern market of India. Over 2,400 odd beds, one hospital which is coming up in Noida. Now, a couple of key points. What works in its favor is that it's a strong doctor promoter name which is actually driving the brand. Occupancy rates have the potential to improve. It was around 59% in Q1 of FY23. Average revenue per occupied bed has improved for the company to around 60,000 rupees. International revenue is expected to pick up. It was at a peak at around 11 to 12%, came down to 4%, currently at around 6%. New verticals are at a nascent stage, which include the likes of home care, pharmacy. The company is also exploring diagnostics as well as digital, and the company is looking to expand bed capacity as well. Margins as of Q1 FY23 were within the range of around 20 to 21 odd %, and revenue was up around 27% as of Q1. There's been a lot of interest in the entire hospital space, especially post-COVID, with electives picking up. In terms of valuations, Medanta is at around 18 times EV to EBITDA, and it is less expensive than its peers such as Apollo as well as Narayana on an FY22 basis.
All right, Ekta, thanks a lot for taking us through all of the details. So clearly there's a lot of primary market action going on. We also had Fusion Microfinance, which opened its IPO yesterday. So that's really a roundup of what's going on there. But with that, we'll get into our first short break on the show. Up next, the US Fed raises rates by an expected 75 basis points, but a hawkish Jerome Powell quashes hopes of a pivot. The Bank of England will also announce its rate decision later today. So all of the details when we come back.